Good night, tutor. All about me, my personal information. Hey, my name is Karen Sofia Lopez Ramirez. I am single and I live in Facatativá, Cundinamarca. I am 20 years old. I have been a preschool teacher for approximately 2 years old. I am currently studying a degree in child pedagogy in UNAD. In my free time, I like to listen to music and watch two movies. Family is composed of my parents. His name is John Jairo. His name is Joanna. My niece, his is Mia. My brother, his is Ivan. His name is Sebastian. And I. Daily routine. I generally head up from Monday to Friday at 4:30 morning and go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and take a bath in hairdresser. I start working at 6 in the morning and I receive the preschooler children starting until class 9:30 with a lunch box. I finish my work and go home for lunch and preparing to a new university homework. Thank you. Thank you for time.